Hello my friend, this is Cici from Cici-Hongdefa Machinery. Today let me show you one complete set of wheat flour milling factory. This factory produces high quality all purpose wheat flour. It is including cleaning milling packing systems. It is fully automatic complete line. Let me take you on a tour. Firstly, let's take a look at the pre-cleaning section. This is a place for trucks or manual unloading of grain. Installing a dust collection system in the unloading area effectively reduces pollution. Wheat enters the pre-cleaning equipment through the unloading pit. The discharge port has a valve to control the flow rate. The outfit connects to the bucket elevator to lift wheat. The bucket elevator is also equipped with a vacuum suction pipeline. The pre-cleaning section uses a high-efficient vibrating sift machine. There is a separate control panel in the pre-cleaning section for easier operation. Each device is equipped with a switch button. The other side is the dust collect and remove section. You can see the air seal machine with cyclone working with the blower and pipes connection. So the wheat underwent a preliminary cleaning. After the pre-cleaning section is completed, we enter the first cleaning stage of project. This is the wheat storage bins, normally built by cement. Also you can choose the steel silo. Wheat is lifted by a bucket elevator and transported to cleaning equipment. Normally there are high vibrating sift machine, destoner machine, plain rotating sift machine, scourer machine and washing machines. The cleaning section we provide also includes the platform brackets and network pipelines, etc. for these devices. The handrails of the platform ladder are made of stainless steel. Going up is the top of the wheat bins. There is a screw conveyor on top of the wheat bins. There are many outlets for the screw conveyor. According to different types of wheat, different bins can be prepared. It is using high-frequency vibration and multi-layered screens while removing light impurity. Here is destoner after the vibrating sifter. It stratifies wheat and stones, removing heavy impurities to protect downstream equipment and ensure wheat purity. A magnetic separator uses magnetic force to absorb magnetic metal impurities from materials. It removes these impurities to prevent damage to downstream processing equipment. And ensures the purity and safety of products. After the magnetic, the wheat flow to wheat scourer machine. Cleans wheat surface by striking grains with high-speed rotating beaters or brushes, removing dust, hair, insect damaged grains, and cloth. Then is the plain rotary sift machine. To ensure uniform particle size, wheat is transported from the bucket elevator to the wheat washing machine. Hongdefa wheat washing machine has the stainless steel cover and connects. A wheat washer cleans wheat by rinsing and agitating grains with water, removing surface dirt, dust, hair, and microbial contaminants. It also adjusts wheat moisture content to enhance bran toughness and facilitate endosperm separation. This is the second part of the factory. It is also the central link of the entire equipment milling section. As the core milling equipment, the roller mill uses pairs of rollers. We provide professional design based on different customer and product requirements. In this section, all the pipelines we use are made of stainless steel material, enhancing product quality and safety. There are double beam sifters. It efficiently separates flour from bran and classifies particle sizes, improving flour purity and uniformity. Multi-layer screening and special screening pads design ensure high product quality. Both feeding and discharging are connected by soft cloth tubes. The discharge port is also convenient for checking the quality of materials. Another important part is the purifier system. It utilizes differences in material density, particle size, and surface properties through airflow suspension and sieve vibration. This precise separation significantly improves endosperm utilization and flour purity, laying the foundation for high-precision flour production. We also provide cable trays used by the equipment. And to keep the workshop clean, we supply the impulse dust filter system. Filters using for dust collection, air purification, equipment protection, and safety explosion prevention. The vibrating feeder machine can work efficient together with the filter. We provide double screw air compressors dry machine. Air storage tanks and filters for the air compressor system. In the cyclone system, we supply the stainless steel high-quality cyclone, and the air seal system with high quality also. This is the final flour sifter checker machine. The purpose of sifter checker is to check whether the quality of the flour meets the customer's requirements. After sifter checker, the flour transferred to the storage bins or packed directly. Here is the bran brusher machine. This brusher reduces flour loss in bran, improving flour extraction rate. Additionally, the cleaned bran has higher purity, suitable for use as feed or deep processing raw materials, enhancing byproduct value. Here is the final flour packing system. Fully automated operation improves packaging efficiency. Computer control, automatic filling, precise weighing, and efficient sealing. Automatically seals bags after weighing. For the complete project, here is the control system. This is a rough representation of the entire factory. If you have a need to order flour milling equipment, come and contact me now.